This is the review of this droid snail tank using 4 332nd battle packs. And later on in the video, I will show you what you can do with the spare parts, because boy oh boy, there's lots of spare parts. Let's get into it. This vehicle is very accurate in my opinion, at least for an alternative build. As sure, I would really have loved to have the guns use some other part, but to be honest, with what they were working with, the guns did so, because I really like arming my troops with guns. But also the use of these stud shooters is really good, and just the entire build, sure, it's not quality of Lego, but gets the idea across of a droid snail tank. With these, you can maybe sit 1 or 2 droids on here, and then using this technique as well for the back here is really smart for using it as the wheel type thing. And just using this plate here is really a cool detail, attention to detail. Oh, I just broke it. Oh, it's fine. So, yeah, pretty good. Definitely, if you have the battle packs and, well, you're really in need of a droid snail tank, definitely build it. But I will definitely link the tutorial for it. I've been wanting to build this for a long time. So happy I got 5 332nd battle packs to do so. But anyways, let me show you the other build, the side builds I built for this. Since there were so many parts left over, I thought, well, I thought, why don't I build some sort of side build for it, which I do for most sets whenever I have leftover pieces. I don't know why I do it, but I just do it anyways. So if you do want a tutorial, well, just drop it down in the comments. If I get 10 comments saying, if I get 10 likes, then I'll definitely release a tutorial for all of these. But since I also did get the Republic Gunship review coming soon, I definitely do want... So I did build most of these side builds for the actual gunship. So let's show you all of my side builds. Starting off here, we have this little communication table for, well, the clones to talk to. You can take this off and then have them talk like that, or you can actually have them talk on top of the thing. It does fit in the Republic Gunship. I will show you that a little bit later. But yeah, pretty neat. If you have any transparent studs, you can just place them over there. But yeah, on to the next side build. Here we have this little air speeder that I built out of just parts. Pretty neat. Definitely not one of my greatest alternative builds I've ever built. But yeah, you get the idea. It was kind of based off that one episode from the Clone Wars where they're in the snow and they're just fighting those monsters. There's a Lego set on it. I forgot. Those snow speeders. That's what this is based on. Next side build. Yes, this is a side build, even though you saw it earlier in the video. This is one of the side builds and pretty neat. Little display thing. Does also fit in the public gunship. The speeder doesn't though, but pretty neat. You can even sit them down if you want to. But yeah. And now for our final side build. I built lights for the Republic Gunship. You're probably wondering, Riser, how did you think of this? Well, middle of building, I saw these pieces. And I'm like, it would make great decorations for lights. So then I built a startup before I started building the alternative build of the snail tank. And I'm like, oh, I really hope these pieces stay. And there was a better design, but unfortunately all the pieces got used, so I couldn't use that. But this still gets the idea across. Now, let me show you what it looks like on the gunship. And here we go. This is what it looks like on the Gunship. Pretty neat. Yeah. So if you really do want to build these, well then just like and subscribe for it. And now let me show you how to fit in the little tables. So for the tables I just showed you, what you want to do is you want to open up this. So for the first table, just want to slip it in. Not so bad. You do want to slip it in a certain way. Just straight like that. And bam. It's in. And now for the other one, you do want to remove this because they both don't fit at the same time, unfortunately. It's too big. And for this one, you sometimes have to just, it's a bit more difficult, but once you get the hang of it, and bam, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe if you enjoy what I've done. See you in the next one.